Welcome to my YouTube channel Sarkari Competition 24. I am your teacher Devendra Kumar. Today I will teach you the topic time and tenses. What is time and tenses? So let's not delay while watching this video till end. Time and tenses. I want to tell you that there are three types of tenses. First, present tense, and second, past tense, and third, future tense. There are three types of tense, and each tense has four parts. Now you can see here present tense divide into four parts. Present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. There are three types of tense and each tense has four parts. Now you can see first, second, third, fourth, and thus now you can also write first, second, past tense is also divide four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Past indefinite tense, and second, past continuous tense, and third, past perfect tense, and last, past perfect continuous tense. And thus you can also write the third part, future tense, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. And sentences. What is sentences? What is difference between tenses and sentences? It's very most important topic in English grammar. Sentences. Note. N-O-T, note. Sentences. What is main different between sentences and tenses? Tenses means time and sentences mean the group of word. Now you can say that there are five types of sentence. First, assertive, and you can say in other word declarative sentence, and second, interrogative sentence, and third, imperative sentence, and fourth, exclamatory sentence, and five, optative sentence. And tense means time. You know very well that there are three types of tenses. First, present tense, past tense, future tense, and each tense has four parts. Now you can see here, I also write here. Okay. And next topic, what is the structure of these tenses? Please listen carefully and see here. Now we can see here that the structure of tenses. First tense, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. First, structures. Subject plus verb, yes in bracket, plus object plus other words. Second, present continuous tense. And third and fourth, perfect tense, or fourth, perfect continuous tense. You can write the structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus is, am, are, plus verb ing form, object plus other words, and perfect subject plus has, have, verb, third form, object plus other words, and last, subject plus has been, have been, verb ing form, object plus since for plus time plus other words. And thus you can also write the structure of past, future. Please see here. Past indefinite tense. First, second, continuous tense, and third, perfect tense, and fourth, perfect continuous tense. Past indefinite tense structures: subject plus verb second form, object, other words. And past continuous tense structures: subject plus was, verb ing form, object plus other words. And perfect subject plus had plus verb third form object plus other words. And last, subject plus had been verb third form object plus since for plus time plus OW other word. And now you can see the structure of future tenses. First, future indefinite tense first, and second, future continuous tense, and third, futures perfect tense, and fourth, perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense. My friend, you can write the structure of future indefinite tense. Subject will verb first form object plus other words. And continuous, future continuous structures, subject will be verb ing form object other words. And perfect subject will have verb third form object other words. And perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense structures, subject plus will have been, subject plus will have been verb ing form object plus since for plus time plus other words.